So the first we have, मैं तुमसे नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. मुझे उस पर दया आती है. I feel pity for him. I feel pity for him. मैं तुम्हें चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ. I am warning you. I am warning you. वो बिल्कुल सही था. He was absolutely right. He was absolutely right. मैं तुम्हारा गुलाम नहीं हूँ. I am not your slave. I am not your slave. उसने खुद मुझे कहा. She herself said this to me. She herself said this to me. मुझे पता है तुम कौन हो. I know who you are. I know who you are. कोई तुम्हारी जगह नहीं ले सकता. Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. ये तुम्हारी परेशानी है, मेरी नहीं. This is your problem, not mine. This is your problem, not mine. भगवान जाने यहाँ क्या हुआ. God knows what happened here. God knows what happened here. पूरी दुनिया उसे जानती है. The entire world knows him. The entire world knows him. अभी भी बहुत देर नहीं हुई है. It is still not too late. It is still not too late. वो अपनी आदत से मजबूर है. He is compelled by his habit. He is compelled by his habit. तुम्हें ये आदत छोड़ देनी चाहिए. You should give up this habit. You should give up this habit. मैं बैठने की जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I am looking for a place to sit down. I am looking for a place to sit down. ये किस तरह का सवाल है? What kind of question is this? What kind of question is this? मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है. My respect is on the line. My respect is on the line. मुझे आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. शुभ कार्य में देरी क्यों? Why delay in auspicious work? Why delay in auspicious work? वो बेहद अंधविश्वासी है. He is extremely superstitious. He is extremely superstitious. मैं 10 मिनट में वापस आऊँगा. I will be back in 10 minutes. I will be back in 10 minutes. मैं यहाँ एक होटल में ठहरा हूँ. I am putting up here in a hotel. I am putting up here in a hotel. तुमने झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie? Why did you lie? मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. तुम बहुत भुलक्कड़ हो. You are very forgetful. You are very forgetful. तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है. Your head is full of kelp. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं Your mind is full of straw. Your head is full of kelp या फिर Your mind is full of straw. मैं वहाँ बहुत बार गया हूँ. I have been there many times. I have been there many times. Now it's your turn. मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है. इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं एंड साथ ही अपना वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक देना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.